Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty products that truly make an impact. Today, we're getting real about one of the most talked about mascaras in the beauty world right now, the Stila HUGE Extreme Lash Mascara in Intense Black. If you're looking for volume, curl, lift, and that bold black lash effect without the fuss of falsies, this could be your new go-to. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. So here's the scoop. This mascara promises to give you everything: volume, length, curl, and lift without any of the dreaded clumping or crunchiness. And the best part? It claims to be lightweight, buildable, and smudge-proof, even for those of us with sensitive eyes or contact lenses. Stila says this formula will give you the most intense glossy black lashes you've ever had. No mascara primer or fiber lashes needed. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Now, let's talk about what's inside. The formula is a custom blend of soft, flexible waxes and lash conditioners. These ingredients work together to create a smooth, clump-free application, even with multiple layers. The mascara's wand is curved with crimped bristles designed to hug each lash individually, ensuring a more even coat with every swipe. This helps to build that perfect lash look from root to tip without that dreaded spider lash effect. In terms of real-world testing, I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised. When I first tried it, the application was super smooth, and the wand really made it easy to coat each lash evenly. I loved how buildable it was. One coat gave a nice natural look, but with a few more layers, it built up to that dramatic, voluminous lash effect. No clumps, no crunch, just soft, full lashes that stayed lightweight and flirty. But how does it hold up? Well, after a few hours, I didn't notice any smudging or flaking, which is huge for me because I tend to rub my eyes a lot. Even after a long day, my lashes still looked full and voluminous, and the color remained a deep, glossy black. It's long-lasting but still easy to remove at the end of the night with a gentle makeup remover. Now let's take a step back and look at the pros and cons. The pros: volume and length. You get major lash volume with each coat, and it definitely makes my lashes appear longer and fuller. Buildable. You can layer without worrying about clumping or crunchiness. It's as customizable as you need. Smudge-proof. I love that it stays put all day long. Perfect for anyone who struggles with mascara transferring or smudging. Lightweight. Despite the full-on drama, it feels comfortable on my lashes and doesn't weigh them down. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. Not waterproof. While it's smudge-proof, it's not labeled as waterproof, so if you're planning to wear it in a sweaty situation or in the rain, be cautious. Not as dramatic as some other mascaras. If you're looking for an ultra-intense, false lash effect, this mascara may not provide that level of drama on its own without multiple layers. But it does give a very nice, natural yet full look. In terms of value for money, this mascara is priced in the mid-range for a high-performance product. And I'd say it's totally worth it for the quality you get. The formula is lightweight, smudge-proof, and performs well throughout the day, which makes it a solid option for daily use. When compared to other mascaras on the market, it definitely holds its own. You could opt for a cheaper option, but most of them won't give you the same level of volume and lift without the same lightweight feel. Some high-end mascaras may offer more intense drama, but they're also more likely to be heavy and prone to clumping. As for build quality, the mascara tube is solid, and the wand design is unique enough to give you that precise 360° application. It's a small detail that goes a long way in terms of how the mascara performs. The longevity of this product is really impressive too. Not only does it wear well throughout the day, but I also didn't experience any flaking or smudging, which is a huge win for anyone with oily lids or watery eyes. Now, for customer service, since I haven't needed to contact Stila directly, I can't speak to that experience. However, based on my overall impression of the brand, I feel confident that they're responsive to customer inquiries. Stila is known for its quality and innovative products, and I trust their commitment to good customer service. If you're looking for similar products, you might find some good alternatives, but I'd recommend staying with Stila if you want a reliable, buildable mascara that gives you that perfect lash look with no hassle. So, would I recommend the Stila HUGE Extreme Lash Mascara? Absolutely. It gives impressive volume, length, and curl with no clumping or crunch, and it stays put all day without smudging. If you're someone who loves a natural, full lash look that can be built up for more drama, this mascara is a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, the link to purchase the mascara will be in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.